Good morning, everybody. I'm Kelly from the County Brant Public Library. Welcome to our first session of Art Projects to Go. Today we're going to be working on what I call pretty birds on canvas. So we're going to start with a nice little square piece of canvas, and because I like to recycle, we're going to use paper. So you can see that I've got it started here already. You can see a little difference in the color here. So what I've done with some of my paper is I've stained it with coffee grounds. So, because I'm a coffee drinker, I just set the coffee grounds on top. It doesn't take long, and then just let your paper dry. Or you can use whatever paper you want. Paper will be supplied, but just to let you know, we're going to have a nice variety of paper, and you can change it up. So for gluing, you're just going to actually literally glue the paper on your canvas. So a little note about gluing. Put glue on the canvas, put glue on your paper if you can do it. And if your glue is too thick, don't hesitate to add some water to it, okay? Because sometimes it's just too thick and it doesn't want to move around the page very good. So what I've done is I've just used an old book. And I like to rip my pages because I don't like to have just a square edge on my pages. So some people want it so that all the writing is in the same direction. I just kind of do it kind of haphazardly. So you're going to cover your whole canvas with pages, okay? And don't hesitate to put a little bit on top, and don't forget to go around the corner, around the edges. You can do them later if you want. And another cool thing, if you're really careful, if you want another little different look to your pages, just take a little bit of a candle, a lighter, and just kind of brown the edges. It really makes it a fun project. But you've got to be really careful, so have water on hand. Okay? So, with your kit, you're going to get pages, you're going to get your canvas, and you're going to get a couple sheets of birds. So pretty birds. So a couple things you can do. You can cut out your bird. I didn't do a very good job of cutting, so do much better than that. And then just glue it on. Wouldn't be my choice to do it. So another choice would be to trace it on. So cut them out, or you don't even have to cut them out. Just kind of lay it out how you want. And I'm going to give you some carbon paper. So carbon paper, you just lay on, make sure your canvas is all dry. So I would probably do this in stages. Do your canvas one day, your birds the next day. So you can just trace your birds on, and then you'll take it up and then paint them. And that will be fun. So then you can kind of change it up to how you would really like it. Or another fun thing is to actually draw on your own branches. Paint them with black, and then just add your birds on top. So you're going to get a choice of a couple different shapes of birds, and you know what? There's just hundreds of images online if you don't like what we give you. So have fun with it. If you do it in a set of 3, you're going to get one, but if you do it in a set of 3, it looks really cool because it's all lined up nice. So have fun with that, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.